MI-14008 Heavy-Duty Fixed TV Wall Mount. Installation. Use a stud finder to locate the center of the studs and hold the template to the wall in the desired mounting location. Use a bubble level to ensure that the template is level. Mark the center of the studs through the template as shown. Remove the template from the wall and drill the holes in the marked locations using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Hold the wall mount to the wall over the holes. Check the level once again and install the 6 provided lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. For concrete or brick wall installation, hold the template to the wall in the desired mounting location. Use a bubble level to ensure that the template is level. Mark the center of the holes through the template in the locations as shown. Remove the template from the wall and drill the holes in the 6 marked locations using a 1/2 inch drill bit to a depth of 3.7 inches. Clear dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors, and install the 6 provided lag screws and washers, then tighten until secure. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes, and attach the VESA brackets to the TV as shown. Hang the TV on the wall mount so that the top of the VESA brackets hook onto the top of the wall mount. Then lower the bottom end of the TV down into place while pulling down on the release cord until it's in place. To remove the TV, pull the release cord down, then lift the TV up and away from the wall.